Well, today we're going to be discussing the recent news from Wells Fargo. Once the largest player in the mortgage industry, guys, is now stepping back from the mortgage business. Now, before you start panicking, this doesn't mean that Wells Fargo is completely getting out of the mortgage game. They're still going to be offering home servicing, but really on a much smaller scale than what they currently are. It's a very strategic move for them, for the bank, as they look into streamlining their operations and focus more on the areas of banking. But what does this mean for you, for the mortgage market as a whole? Well, the truth is, Wells Fargo's market share has been declining in the recent years, so there's really not going to be a major impact on the overall market. There are plenty of other players in the game and who will be able to pick up the slack. So there's really no concern for any of you clients out there. If you currently have a mortgage with Wells Fargo, don't worry. This doesn't really affect you either. They're still going to be servicing your loan, and they're still going to have, they're not going to be changing their loan terms or the options that you currently have locked in with them. So again, in short, Wells Fargo's decision to step back from the mortgage business is a strategic move in the market, but it's not going to have a major impact on the overall market or for the existing customers. And as a lender, we're always here to help you and assist you in your mortgage needs. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share and stay tuned for more updates for the mortgage industry. Thanks.